This video, I'll show you how to use the left, mid, and right functions to extract data. If you've ever been in an ERP implementation or an FP&A reporting tool implementation, or you ever book journal entries, you'll actually realize that sometimes you have a certain field that is pulled from the database or data warehouse that has joint fields in it. And sometimes you want to create a unique identifier, or you want the accounting tool to read certain fields separately, like company, department, account, and the likes, and everything is combined. So you want to separate it. You will actually appreciate knowing how to use the left, mid, and right if you ever in any of those scenarios or circumstances. So how do we use the left, mid, and right functions? In this exercise here, the first column that we have is a combination of various things, and it combines company, department, and account. So actually your company, which I'll just say CEO, that is just 0100, and that is the 3000, and account in the first cell there, that is A3, that is the 60,000. So these are the three fields, but you see they're combined here, right, into one ID. So our exercise would be to separate or to dice out this data or extract the various fields, right? So using the left, mid, and right, we should be able to do this in a dynamic way. So first thing we need to do is understand where these specific fields are actually located. To the far left, you have the company. To the middle here, in the middle, you have the department. And to the far right, you have the account. So we will use the left function to the far left here. So the left function will help us with the company. And the reference text is that A3. And then you have a comma. The number of characters the department has 4 characters, so we type 4 here and click enter. Middle, the function is mid equal mid, and reference here for the text is that. And now this is the interesting one. You need to count to the department the first character. How many numbers to the first character of the department? The department here starts with the 3, right? So you count up to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th number is where the department starts. And then we type that. That is 6. And then how many characters do we need to pull? We tell in Excel the department has 4 characters. Right, it starts from the 6th number, counting from that side to the left, to the all the way to the right, the 6th one, and then for 4 characters, that's what we want to pull, and that's it. Then we now use the right function because our account is to the far right. Now we need to tell Excel which cell to reference from. That's for the text, and then how many characters you count, and it's 5, 60,000, right? So 5 from the right, you have to count from the right towards the left, and then click enter. Now we've pulled the company, department, and account, and now all we need to do now is just autofill this. If you select this 3 and you double click here, it will just autofill it. Or another easy way that I've covered in my prior videos will be, if you select that, press the shift and the down arrow key all the way down and just press Control D, Control down. So you'd see next time if you needed to edit something and you change this to any other account, if this was like it changed to 61, it will just automatically capture it. So you've created a dynamic way of pulling and dicing data, and now you have your company account, company department and account separately. So if you wanted to use your account as your reference field, you can easily use it. The same with company and department. So now we know how to use the left, mid, and right functions.